Hello, I'm going to give you a quick overview of our American History database. First, let me show you what's in this database. If you click on the Sources link in the menu, you'll see right up front that the database includes more than 52,000 articles from an extensive list of encyclopedias, reference books, narrative histories, and journals. If you scroll down and click on a book title like The Development of the United States, 3rd edition, you will see the complete table of contents. All of these articles, as well as articles from hundreds of other books and journals, are included in this comprehensive database. Next, let's click on the Primary Sources tab. Here you'll see that we include more than 10,000 primary source documents, such as famous speeches, inaugural addresses, eyewitness accounts, important treaties and agreements, to name just a few. And every document includes an introduction written by our editors so that you can understand the meaning and context of the document and determine its relevance to your research. Now, let's take a quick look at the remaining Sources tabs. Under Images, you'll find a treasure trove of more than 10,000 images, including not only photographs, but one-of-a-kind historical maps and charts, many from unique archives and museum collections. Want a map of the major battles of the Civil War? You'll find it here. Looking for maps of every electoral college vote for every presidential election? You'll find them here too. Under the Video tab, you'll see that we've included over 11,000 video clips from such well-known producers as British Path, A&E Networks, the WPA Film Library, the BBC, and many others. These are great for teaching and can even be embedded into practically any learning management system. The next tab is our Timelines. We have 34 different timelines covering both eras and topics with more than 28,000 entries. And finally, our Contributors tab provides a partial list of the many acclaimed authors and academics responsible for the scholarship behind all that you'll find in this database. Now let me show you how you can use this database. Basically, there are two ways. One is to search for what you are looking for, the other is to browse. If you go the search route, you simply type in a word or phrase and you get relevant tabbed results organized by media type, with filters along the right rail to help you narrow the results. For example, let's type in Lincoln and click on the search suggestion Abraham Lincoln. As you can see, you get a long list of relevant results under each tab. When you click on an article like the fourth one down, you'll get the full text of the article and information on where the article came from, in this case, the Encyclopedia of the American Presidency. If you click on any other tabs, you'll get whatever primary source documents, images, videos, timelines, and news that relate to Abraham Lincoln. If you're coming to this resource without a specific search in mind, a great way to explore and get some ideas for a research paper is to browse our topic centers. Our editors have pulled together topic centers on each major era in American history, as well as on subjects such as American women's history, the Industrial Revolution, Manifest Destiny, and U.S. government. Let's look at the topic center on the American Revolution. The first thing you find is a hand-selected list of overview articles that give you a broad understanding of the time period in a sequential manner, starting with the beginning of the period all the way through to the last days. You'll also find a list of suggested research topics, which are the most searched and highly relevant terms for this topic. Next, on the right rail, you'll find videos and slideshows, key primary source documents, maps and charts, and a timeline. This page basically contains everything you might need if you were studying this period in American history or about to write a research paper. Finally, we have organized all of our resources, primary source documents, slideshows, maps and charts, videos, timelines, and topics in an A to Z list, all indexed by time period, so you can quickly find what you're looking for. So that's the quick tour. I hope you'll take some time to poke around on your own. We think you'll be impressed.